The last tool I'm going to demo is called Practice Reading Aloud tool. What this tool does is that as students select tools, these tools allow students to practice reading aloud, and they are able to send the recording of that reading to their teacher for feedback. I'm going to choose a section of text that my teacher has assigned me to read aloud and practice my reading. I select the tool. The text is separated completely out of the original text. The student can have it read back by the tool.
Overwhelming scientific consensus finds human activity primarily responsible for climate change. According to many peer-reviewed studies, over 97% of climate scientists agree that human activity is extremely likely to be the cause of global climate change.
Now that the tool has read the text to the student can try to read it himself or herself just by clicking on the record button. Overwhelming scientific consensus finds human activity primarily responsible for climate change. According to many peer-reviewed studies, over 97% of climate scientists agree that human activity is extremely likely to be the cause of global climate change. Now I'm going to hit the stop button, and it provides me the opportunity to send my recording to the teacher. It has found my email address, and I hit yes. Now the recording is in the mailbox of the teacher, and the teacher can listen to it and provide feedback to the student.